Hi, I'm Annie from the popular keto website ketofocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero and we're going to show you how to make a popular coffee drink. That's right, we've jumped on the Dalgona Coffee wagon and I'm going to show you how to make a keto version that's sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. Let's get started. If you're not sure what Dalgona coffee is, well, this is it right here. This is a popular coffee drink. It's really frothy. It originated in South Korea and it's just been viral lately. It's all over the internet. So we decided to show you guys how to make a keto-friendly, sugar-free, sugar alcohol-free version using ChocZero's vanilla syrup. The ingredients that we're going to be using today, you're going to need instant coffee. This can be instant coffee or instant espresso. You're also going to need ChocZero's vanilla syrup. ChocZero's syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. So if you're wanting a version of Dalgona coffee that's sweetened, that doesn't have sugar alcohols in it, then this is the one that you want to use. You'll also need hot water, and we're going to put our frothy coffee on top of either your choice of nut milk or heavy cream. In a small bowl, you want to add 2.5 tablespoons of instant coffee. To that, we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of ChocZero's vanilla syrup. Then we're going to get some hot water, so this is boiling water, and add 4 teaspoons of boiling water to this mixture. Next, we're going to whisk it up. You can use a hand whisk, but it will take around 10 minutes to get the desired consistency you want, so I recommend using an electric mixer. Just whip it until it thickens and foams up. You know you've whipped enough when it starts to form ribbons on top. And now it's time to assemble our Dalgona coffee. The best ratio is to use 2/3 cup of your milk of choice plus 1/3 cup of the Dalgona coffee froth. Just layer it together and enjoy. Don't forget to tag us ChocZero with all of your pictures of your Dalgona coffee.